Hi friends, welcome again to MA Logics with another confusing math problem. Transform your math anxiety into math excitement. The question is 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. Hey you math genius, can you guess its answer in your mind quickly? But remember, it's not 1. Ha 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 ha. Okay, let's move to its solution. Here are all division signs, and we know very well the rule of PEMDAS, where priority shifts from left to right. Because here are all divisions, so we will start from left first. 5 divided by 5 equal 1, and remaining these 5 divided 5. Okay, in next step, write this 1 divided by 5 as 1 over 5, and this divided by 5. Now in this situation, we should apply KCF rule, where keep this first fraction as it is, change this division sign into multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Okay, 1 over 5 times 1 over 5. As you know the process of fraction multiplication, upper times upper and bottom times bottom. Our final and correct answer for this problem is 1 over 25. Thanks for joining me. Keep practicing and you'll be a math whiz in no time. I hope you enjoyed this math lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.